Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language for a system on Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open a Start. Here navigate to the settings, time and language, language and region. Here you can add additional languages, but to actually change it for the system, you need to select Windows Display Language. And right here you can see all of the languages that are added with specific packages. So I have Afrikaans and English. Let's try adding the Polish language. And we need to download entire language pack. After it's finished, it should show there, and that way we can select a different language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.